This elevator has stopped at the second floor. The elevator is almost full, and there are more people waiting to get in than the elevator can hold. When the doors open, a few people exit the elevator, and a few more enter to take their place. The people regulate their behavior so that the elevator functions smoothly. But what would happen if all the people waiting had the intention of getting into the elevator at the same time, and the whole crowd tried to enter as soon as the doors opened? Many people would be squashed, and perhaps even be injured. The elevator might overload and malfunction. Think of the elevator as a cell, and think of the impatient people as molecules of water. When the solution outside the cell is more dilute than the solution inside, water will diffuse into the cell and may burst it. The water moves from a region of lower solute concentration to a region of higher solute concentration. As in the elevator, this could have disastrous consequences. Animals prevent excess water from disrupting cell activities by balancing the concentration of salts inside and outside their cells. The means by which this balance is maintained is called osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is closely related to excretion, so in this activity we'll look at both processes. In the process of excretion, excess water, gases, salts, and organic materials are removed from the body, and essential substances are conserved.